breaking news! When this trading opportunity I'm about to show you hits the charts, my win rate is over 90%. Hi everyone, it's Vu here, and in today's video, I'll show you how I make $3,862 in one trade. Well, where did it all begin? While on vacation in Tulum last week with my family, I was at a beach reviewing my trading journal over the last 6 months. I realized when I look at the top 10 trades, my biggest returns, the trades that I make the most money on, something called the golden opportunities present itself 90% of the time. So what is the golden opportunity? Well, it only applies to the mini SP 500 futures, not crypto, not stock, not Forex. Here's the reason why. The SP 500 futures is an index of 500 publicly traded companies listed on the stock exchange. It allows traders to gain exposures to the SP 500 index, a widely recognized parameters of the US stock market. This index contains companies like Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft, and it's widely regarded as one of the best indicators of the overall health and performance of the US stock market. Golden opportunities happens when 4 different elements align. All 4 must happen for this to work. Number 1, multiple time frame must all favor in the directions of the same dominant trend. The 1-minute charts, the 5-minute charts, the 15s, and the 60-minute charts must trend in the same directions, either up or down. Of my last 10 best trades, 90% of the time have this thing in common. It's when the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minutes, and the 60-minute charts timeframes are all heading in the same directions. This is called time frame confluences. Number 2, the other market also must confirm the directions of the trend. I refer to the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, the Russell 2000 to see if they're moving in the same directions as the SP 500. This is the foundations of Dow Theory. This is the concept that I teach my students, by the way. It helps us confirm the market confluence. Think of this as when all the market confirm each other, they must move in the same directions. If the SP 500 is moving up, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, and the Russell 2000 should all be moving up at the same time. Number 3, the big players in the SP 500 move in the same directions, and as I mentioned before, we look to Apple, we look to Amazon, we look to Microsoft and Google, which makes up about 20% of the SP 500. Think of the market as a big family, for example. It's essentially that the 4 biggest siblings are healthy and happy simultaneously. When the market is moving up, based on this concept, Apple, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft all should be moving up at the same time. Number 4, lastly, I make sure the volatility index futures, or the VIX, is moving in the opposite directions of the overall market. It sounds weird, but this step is very crucial. When the market is bullish, the VIX tend to move lower, and when the market is bearish, the fear rising, the VIX trends to break out to the upside. These opposite relationships give me a clue of where the market is heading. Again, this phenomenon has nothing to do with just watching for 1 or 2 elements listed above happening. It has everything to do with watching all 4 elements happening at the same time, all at once. And when this happens on the charts, it creates a golden opportunity to capture these winning trades and potentially make a weekly and sometimes a monthly income for me in just one trade. Let's spend a moment on the charts and let me explain to you what exactly happened when it comes to the golden opportunities. Show me the charts. In Thinkorswim, 10 days ago, June 15, as you can see, I'm making this video Sunday, June 25th, but exactly 10 days ago, this phenomenon hits the charts, and I just gonna want to take a moment to further explain to you what I saw. 4 different elements that makes up this golden opportunities, and if you spot these opportunities on the chart the next time, you're gonna make a lot of money here. So in Thinkorswim on-demand features, it allows traders to go back onto the charts to check out activities and study and research the things that happen on the charts. Mark it on your calendar or take a look at this for yourself. When the market opened June 15, it happens on a Thursday, by the way. These are all happens at the same time. What happened on the charts that day? The multiple time frame confluence where your 60-minute charts, your 15s, your 5 and your 1-minute charts all happening to head up at the same time. As you can see, the trend is uptrend. There's an uptrend and there's an uptrend and there's also an uptrend happening inside the 60, the 15, the 5, and the 1-minute chart respectively. What else happened? Number 2, other markets confluence. When I refer to other markets, I refer to the Dow Jones, the 30 largest company in the entire market. The NASDAQ, the 100 tech-related companies, the Russell 2000, the 2,000 small or mid-cap stocks, and of course the ES, which is the mini SP 500, or 500 different companies that makes up the overall market here. What happened inside of that market open June 15? Inside of the smallest time frame, which I'm trading in, they're all heading up at the same time, all at once. What else is happening? Number 3, the big players confluence. And when I refer to the big players, it's the Google, it's the Microsoft, it's the Apple, and of course, the overall market. These big players that makes up 15-20% of the market, and of course you can see maybe add on Tesla, add on, Amazon. The Google, the Amazon, the Microsoft, the Apple, these companies are the biggest players in the entire SP 500. If they're all moving in the same directions of the overall market, chances are the trend is then confirmed. Of course, lastly, the fear and the greed index confluence. As if you can see, the fear will rise if there's a sell-off in the market, and the fear and the greed index will decrease as this market increase. We talk about the opposite directions, right? Take a look at the 5-minute charts here. As the ES of the overall market in which I'm trading head up, the fear index makes lower high and lower low. The opposite direction. So in this case, 4 things happening all at once here. Now that you've seen this video, will you spot these opportunities with me on the charts? I made a 33-minute video explaining everything you need to know about trading the futures index. Click the link on the description below and check the video out for yourself. And please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.